So Quest is the Queen's University Experimental Sustainability Team. We're a design team based in the ILC, the engineering building on Queen's campus. And what we do is basically innovate. We're looking at experimental sustainability, so coming up with new ideas and ways to change what's actually been created.
Everywhere I go, and in virtually all aspects of my daily life, I can't help but notice the waste of unreplenishable natural resources. And I joined Quest because for me it was a proactive way of trying to combat that wastefulness and utilize those natural resources that would otherwise be put to waste.
So projects that we worked on in the past would be a kinetic power project where you actually walk on a treadmill and can create electricity just from the treadmill itself. Instead of kind of the treadmill taking power, being plugged in, it's a manual treadmill that's been hooked up to a generator, and we can actually generate power to charge a cell phone or a laptop, etc., or a battery as well. Take everything we know and put it into something that's useful and actually better for the environment. And that's really like what sustainability is for me, is taking stuff that that already exists and saying, take this idea, and this idea, we're going to put them together and make something better.
I think it's pretty simple why sustainability should be incorporated into everyone's daily life. I mean, we use commercial products on a daily basis that are built from unreplenishable natural resources that the products end up going to waste, and we don't have an infinite supply of the resources that we use to develop those commercial products.
In engineering, everything we do is very theoretical, mathematical. This is kind of this theoretical example that you're never actually going to see in real life. So we kind of take all that stuff that we learn, that knowledge, and say, okay, this is the practical, this is how you actually do it with your hands kind of thing. So we use drills, we use hammers, we build stuff out of wood, out of metal, etc. You actually can see a finished product when you're done, right? We are a disruption ourselves, I guess is a cool way to think about it. But we're actually just taking all those ideas from different spots, or we're coming up with our own ideas just from organically from the Queen's engineering, commerce, or arts and science population. We're coming up with new ideas and new environmentally sustainable processes.